Hello and welcome to Galabox tutorial videos. Setting up well-structured templates is important for effective WhatsApp communication. We will guide you through the process of creating a WhatsApp template for broadcasting. Let's get started. First, navigate to Settings in the left-hand menu. This will open a second navigation panel, where you'll find WhatsApp templates at the top, which is open by default. To create a new template, click the Create New Template button on the right. This action opens the template builder. Let's begin by assigning a descriptive name to our template. For this example, we'll name it First Message. Remember, template names should be clear and concise. Select Custom as the WhatsApp template category. Choosing the correct category is important for creating compliant and relevant messages. This also helps to avoid potential issues with Meta. For the Allow Category Change field, we'll select No for this example. However, if you're unsure about the category, choosing Yes is generally safer to avoid rejection. The WhatsApp channel will be pre-selected if you have only one number connected to Galabox. If you have multiple numbers, choose the desired one from the drop-down menu. Select the language for your WhatsApp message from the drop-down. It's essential that the language you choose here matches the content of your message. Any mismatch can lead to template rejection. The message header is a key part of your template. You can choose to have no header or include text, an image, a video, a document, or a location. The text or the media you upload acts as a sample for Meta's approval process and can be changed when you send the actual message. For this example, we will use a text header. You can add up to 60 characters here. Now, let's craft the message body. You have a limit of 1024 characters. To personalize your message, you can add placeholders for names or other details. For instance, you can address users by name directly within the message. If you want to refine your message, use the AI Rewrite option. This tool generates different versions of your message, helping you find the most appropriate tone and style. Choose the one you prefer and click Apply AI Content. The footer is another key component, limited to 60 characters. It's ideal for supplementary information or compliance details. The default footer value is reply with stop to unsubscribe from messages. If a user replies with stop, Galabox will automatically opt them out of receiving future messages. By automatically removing users who opt out, you can ensure that your communication efforts are targeted and focused on users who are interested in your content. Next up, buttons. We have two types, CTA buttons and quick replies. To use them, click on Add a Button drop-down and choose as per your requirement. Quick replies allow users to respond with predefined options, while CTA buttons encourage specific actions like placing a call or using a coupon code. You can add up to 10 buttons per template. These buttons can be either quick replies or a combination of quick replies and CTA buttons, such as URL links, phone numbers, and coupon codes. For URL buttons under CTA, you can choose between static and dynamic URLs. A static URL is a fixed link that directs users to a specific web page without changing. A dynamic URL is a customizable link that can include variables or parameters to personalize the destination for each user. To add a URL, choose the URL option under Call to Action buttons. You can switch between static URL and dynamic URL based on your requirement. For using a static URL, provide a button text within 25 characters and a website or page URL within 2000 characters. For using a static URL, provide a button text within 25 characters and a website or page URL within 2000 characters. Let's add the dynamic URL now. Choose the URL option under the CTA button. Switch to dynamic URL from the drop-down. You will see 3 fields to add value to button text, website URL, and example URL. Use up to 25 characters for button text. Add a variable for the part you want to change for every user in the website URL field, and then provide a sample of how the URL will look like in the example URL field within 2000 characters as shown in the video. You can also add a phone number as CTA and a coupon code in the WhatsApp template. The value for the button text and phone number field can be within 25 and 20 characters, respectively. For the coupon code, you can only edit the value for the sample code field. The button text value is fixed. Now, if you would like to add a WhatsApp flow to the WhatsApp template, you wouldn't be able to add any other button. Click on Option Form under the CTA button option when you click on Add a button. Provide the value for the button text within 25 characters and select the desired WhatsApp flow you published from the dropdown. Once the button is set, check the content once again and click on Submit for approval. The WhatsApp template will be submitted for approval to Meta. It will take up to 24 hours to get the approval. The template will have the status as pending. When the template is verified, the status will change to recently approved. You need to wait for at least 15 minutes to send this template to avoid any message failure. Now that you know how to create a WhatsApp template, what's next? We encourage you to send your first broadcast campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Galabox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.